Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make Roblox game pass on mobile. So you can use this method on Android or iPhone. Just open a browser on your uh, mobile and just go to roblox.com. Can you see roblox.com? Now once you're here, you just need to guys make sure you just need to tap on this create tab over here. Just tap on it, and here you have to tap on this menu button and just go to creation. Now guys, you have to tap on the experience by your username. Just tap on it, and now you have to tap on menu button again here, three bar, and just tap on this passes option. Now guys, once you're here, to create your own game pass, you just need to tap on this create a pass button. Enter the name of the game pass like SF1, and just enter the description like demo, and you just need to uh, tap on this create a pass button, and just tap on the new game pass to configure it. Just tap on this menu bar again and tap on the save button, save option, and just enable the item for sale. Enter the cost here 100, and just tap on the save changes. Now guys, you can add your game pass there in the please donate game. Yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.